We are here at the airport again, Kaohsiung airport, going to Bangkok again. So I don't know, because finances are pretty bad, so I don't know whether I can come back here again soon. I don't know. I like Kaohsiung airport. It's very simple, the design, and not too big. It's perfect. And we are early. We're always early. Easy to be early in this airport because they're very fast. You can see it's a very straightforward and simple design. Straight ahead is our gate. Simple. Also very clean, with clean filter water, hot and cold. I like that the vending machine is so near to the gate. Versus Bangkok, they have to walk a distance to find a single vending machine.